Hey, business owners, hope all of you are doing well. And today I am talking with you about keyword research for local business. There's a reason behind analyze this topic. Few days ago, one of business owner knocked me and told me that he set up Google ad 1 week ago, but he get lots of impressions, lot of click, but with minimum amounts of lead. That means you expected at least daily 10 to 15 lead, but after set up the ad, you get one or two lead, but most of time they are not well qualified lead. They just random lead or random click. So there is a reason behind this problem. The main reason is keyword. My last video, I told about ad account structure. In that video, I explain how we can differentiate the structure by urgency, user intent, and my need. So, in this video or today's video, I will explain how the urgency made or how the user intent create. So, you can see my first slide. There are keyword research for local businesses. So, uh, get more leads and call without wasting budget. Find high intent keyword. Protect budget from wasted click. Build campaigns for lead and calls. Optimize for real local customers. So when you are set up ad by using random keyword from using of AI, what does it do? That Google show your ad to the random people in front of random people. Suppose you want to sell this AirPod and set up ad in Google by using the help of AI keyword research. But I don't need this AirPod and I am searching in Google AirPod price in USA. Look, I don't want to buy anything. I just want to learn the price. And Google show your AirPod advertise in front of me. I just click on it and you got cut by budget. So there is the problem. If you set up ad without doing proper keyword research, understanding proper search intent, user intent, your budget will be wasted by this broad match keyword, by this wasted keyword or unnecessary keyword click. So you can see a example there that plumber near me when anyone search and the Google show local plumber fast and reliable. That means search, click, call, lead, then a convertible customer. Okay. And there is another thing that understand search intent first. So what is search intent? Search intent means my urgency. Just think one topic that if I need anything, what will I search for that thing in Google? Do I need that urgently? Or do I need it badly? Or do I need it right now? Or do I need that thing 1 or 2 hours later or tomorrow? So this is search intent. What is my intention? The word intention is equals to intent. Okay. Every keyword has a user mindset. That means every keyword has their own purpose. Here we can see the first keyword structure is high intent. High intent buyer keyword ready to contact a business like plumber near me, emergency plumber, AC repair near me, dentist near me. And the second one, medium intent, which is comparing or researching best roofing company, AC repair cost, pest control prices. And the third is low intent, which is learning but not buying. It's kinds of informational keyword, which is how to fix AC, plumbing tools, dentist salary, HVAC training. So question is the person ready to contact a business? Okay. Key takeaway, focus first on keyword that show immediate buying intent. That means we need to focus on that type of keyword which intent is urgent or right now category. That means I am searching on Google plumber for 24 by 7 or plumber near me or emergency plumbing. So this is the urgency keyword. Okay. And the in third slide we can see The simple keyword formula. We cannot put random keyword in our Google ad. We need to first think. We need to first analyze. And there is a analyze structure, which is service plus intent plus location. That means service. Example, AC repair near me. The another is intent. Are they ready to hire, call, or book? The another thing is location. Where do they need the service? Another thing is qualified lead. More relevant click, better leads, higher ROI. That means it is better get 10 qualified leads rather than 1,000 unqualified random lead or click. So here is the example that AC repair near me, emergency AC repair in Houston, dentist in Miami, roof repair company near me, pest control service in Dallas. So if there are three signal are present, the keyword is usually stronger for local users. Okay. Key takeaway is strong local keyword usually combines service, buying intent, and location. Okay. Then there another slide which is best keyword categories for lead and call. Which type keyword is best for you, or which category keyword is best for? Here I put that there is 5 kinds of keyword or 5 category keyword is best for local business, which is near me keyword, emergency keyword, problem based keyword, service specific keyword, and commercial comparison keyword. Example, in near me keyword, plumber near me, dentist near me, emergency keyword, emergency plumber, same day repair, problem based keyword, leaking pipe repair, AC not cooling, service specific keyword, water heater repair, teeth whitening, roof replacement, commercial comparison keyword, best plumber near me, licensed electrician near me. Okay. So near me plus emergency plus problem base searches often drive faster phone calls and use multiple keyword pattern because customers search in different ways. Okay. In another slide, I just give some example the type of keyword that will waste your budget. Avoid non-buyer searches. That is common wasted keyword term is free, DIY, tutorial, course, training, certification, salary, jobs, career, meaning, PDF, YouTube, Reddit, tools, supplies, part, plumbing jobs, plumbing course, plumbing tools, how to fix pipes leaks yourself. So for plumbing company, avoid plumbing jobs, plumbing course, plumbing tools, how to fix pipe leak yourself. That means if we are giving some types of services, we need to always avoid knowing type keyword, which customer or people want to know about my services. We need to call. We don't give any knowledge to our customer. We just need work. We just need convertible leads. This is the thing. So budget protection start by blocking low intent and non-buyer searches. Okay. The another slide. Sorry, just taking a black coffee for getting boost to speak for you. Okay. Match type strategy for local campaigns. Extra plus exact plus phrase match and broad letter. There are 3 types of keyword. The first one is broad match. Second one is phrase match, and third one is exact match. So what is broad match? Broad match is kinds of long type keyword which generally gives you the knowing intent that if I search the best running shoes in USA, this is a broad match keyword, and I want to know about the best running shoes, red running shoes. But if I search running shoes at this price, or red shoes at this price, or buying red shoes, this is phrase match keyword. That means there is a little bit of knowing intent plus a lot of buying intent, and the another is exact match, which is exactly what I search for. Here we can define 3 types of keyword by giving a third bracket. This is exact match, a colon, this is we can see phrase match, and without this any topic is everything is broad match. So recommended starting point for new local lead campaigns start with exact match and phrase match. Test broad letter, cause if we add broad match keyword, you will get lots of unnecessary lead, unnecessary impression, unnecessary click, which will lose your budget. Small budget, need control fast, scaling should come later. Yeah, true, it's true. First of all, we need to control our impression click, then we can think about scaling. Build keyword around lead value. Not all leads are equal. Because when you are running ads, lots of people call you, but let's give you an example. There will be around 100 people who is calling you. From that 100 people, you will get only 50 to 60 or 70 to 80 leads. I think so. But the 20 people which will not take your services. So all of lead will not be convertible. We need to understand that thing first. Focus on keyword that attract high intent customer who are ready to buy. High value equal higher revenue, lower wasted ad spend, better ROI from your campaigns, more qualified lead and call. So lead value, premium lead like roof replacement near me. High value emergency roof repair, medium value minor roof repair, low value roofing materials, no value roofing jobs. That means this is a kinds of seeking keyword or knowledgeable keyword or knowing keyword. Like dentist example, higher value keyword bring better patients and higher revenue. Dental implants near me, emergency dentist near me, root canal treatment near me. So which keyword should get priority? Roof replacement near me or roofing materials? Just put that the comment. Okay. Next, turn keyword research into campaign structure. In my first video, I already give you an idea about campaign structure. But we need to categorize our campaign structure on the basis of keyword research. So how that work? That bad structure is campaign plumbing ads, and in plumbing ads I put all of type plumbing type keyword like near me keyword, urgency keyword, emergency keyword, all types of service keyword. This is not a best practice. It is very bad practice. So which is good practice? The good practice is I just create one campaign. Then in that campaign, I will create multiple ad group name emergency plumber, drain cleaning, water heater repair, local plumber, and here you can see the example. So better grouping creates better ad, better landing pages, and better lead quality. In the next slide, keyword research continue and after lunch. So we have two work. Before setup ad, we need to focus on highly keyword research, high intent keyword research. But after setup ad, we need to focus on search terms, phone calls, form lead, cost per lead, lead quality, booking rate, closing rate. And before launching ad, we need to focus on service, intent, location, lead value, CPC estimated, and business priority. So continue keyword optimization. We need to continuously do keyword optimization. So we need to block negative keyword. We need to block bad result keyword. Okay. Practical example, search term, same day water heater repair near me. If it converts, add as exact match or phase match. So tip, review search terms at least weekly in the first 2-4 weeks. Key takeaway keyword research is not finished before lunch. Must continue. Okay. So in that 10 slide, I am just showing final local keyword strategy checklist. A practical recap for lead and call. You need to memorize all of these things before keyword research and set up ad. That is high intent buyer keyword, near me keyword, emergency keyword, problem based keyword, service and location keyword, exact and phrase match at lunch, strong negative keyword, dedicated ad group, dedicated landing pages, call form tracking, weekly search term review, and lead quality measurement. Target people who already need the service, are searching in the same area, and they are ready to connect a provider now. Example, for a $30 per day plumber campaign, start with 50 to 25 high intent keyword searches, this type of keyword, which is phrase match and exact match. This is the topic for today about keyword research. And if you have any question or anything you want to know, just comment in the comment box and I will try to reply you.